What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and I've got two channels that you need to go subscribe to and watch their videos. The links will be in the description, but the first one is going to be James Madison Audits. He was the one that actually, I guess, got this body cam. And then Acura Amanda that made a phone call to the chief of police of Gulfport over on Pinellas. It's in Pinellas County, but it's called Gulfport, Florida. But anyway, we're going to get into this video. Make sure you subscribe to both of these channels. Go to their channels. Tell them Soliaker sent you, because some of the stuff, like, this is disgusting. This is truly, honestly disgusting. And this, I'm sure this has happened to me. I don't know because I don't have those body cams, but they have the body cams and they got the footage, and we're going to get into it. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button on my channel and their channels. We do have a Streamlight flashlight giveaway. Make sure you're sending your emails to thearmedfisherman@gmail.com to get yourself entered. And let's get into it. Soliaker, deuces.
Bet he doesn't come back in 15 minutes.
So should we take a wager on who's going to arrest him first?
Yeah. Bet on whether or not he actually comes back in 15 minutes.
Chief sent me a message last night about the first reading.
Yeah, he said it passed through.
Yeah, 4-1.
Yeah,
At least
on
the first one
reading.
anyway.
Yeah, so. God, he's such an asshole.
Still on you.
Hello everyone, Acura Amanda here. Today I'm doing this video to highlight another video that has come out on YouTube. It's from James Madison Audits channel, and he brought this to my attention. Cop forgot his body camera was on, placing bets calling citizens names. So if you guys haven't seen this video, go over to his channel, go check this out. There's a little backstory to this. When you guys find out the fine details, it's a little bit alarming and shocking both at the same time.
Gulfport Police, Chief Vincent.
Hello, Vincent. My name is Amanda. How are you today?
Well, good. I was just getting ready to call you back.
Oh, that's great. I really appreciate that. My day's going well. How about yours?
So far, so good.
Are you available maybe about like 5 minutes? I just have a couple of questions for you regarding it looks like a press release. Do you have a couple of minutes?
Yeah, talking over the phone, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so this particular article, it was written, it looks like February 24th. And it's under trespass warning issued for Gulfport City Hall.
Yeah, we put that out yesterday.
Were you the one who physically typed this article?
Well, I wouldn't call it an article. You'll see that it doesn't follow the format as our previous press releases. This is a pretty unique situation. I'm sure you've seen the video that prompted it.
I did see the video. A lot of the things said on the body camera footage was very alarming, so you can understand how the public is going to react to such findings. My concern specifically at this point is this article that was put out. I feel like this is a big defamation of this man's character. And I feel like, you know, you're the chief, you're in a really big public capacity, and I don't believe that you should be using this government website to be defaming anybody's character, sir. I really would appreciate if you can remove this article. And I'm speaking for a lot of people as well.
So we should just let other people put information out that's not accurate without correcting it?
Well, for one, I am a witness. I heard what those two officers were saying when they thought their camera was off. They were trying to place a bet on who would arrest this individual, And they also called him a few names that were, it was really not professional, in my opinion. Do you want to explain, how do you feel about their actions, what they said?
Well, no, I'm not disputing that. What I'm disputing is what the person who put this video together said that the police report was false because the person who put this video together never asked us what happened. He only listened to Mr. Lee's story, and so what he's purporting in his video is that we are claiming via the police report that Mr. Lee tried to enter City Hall, and that is absolutely not what we are purporting. So he's showing the video surveillance from City Hall, which correctly shows that Mr. Lee did not try to enter City Hall. But that's not what we are saying. We are saying that he tried to enter the Community Development Office, which is a separate building, and that is what prompted the police to be called. He's making it appear as though the only reason the police showed up here was to trespass Mr. Lee because he wanted to file a complaint against someone. And that is 100% inaccurate, and I'm not going to let that video be posted all over our social media without responding to it with the truth. So yeah, the officers did say something in private to one another, and you tell me one job anywhere on the planet where people don't complain about their customers or the other people that they work with in private. I'm sure you do. Everyone does.
But
so I have absolutely no problem with them making those comments in private to one another.
But I mean,
just because he forgot that his body camera was on makes it unprofessional? I disagree.
Well, sir, I disagree with you tremendously. I feel like as police officers, you guys are held to a higher standard versus the private sector folks, and you guys should always act as if your body cameras are on at all times. That's just my opinion. I know
that is completely unrealistic. There is no way we would ever have anybody who would apply to be a police officer if every single thing they said was subject to that level of scrutiny. That's impossible.
Well, sir, I mean, would
you do a job if you knew that you were recorded 24/7 while you were on the job? I don't think anybody would.
Well, the line of work I do, I am recorded for most of my endeavors. As you know, I do work with the media, and I mean, we're gonna have to agree to disagree on this. I really want you to remove this article. Jesse is a small business owner, and a lot of these small business owners, I own a small business as well. The pandemic has hit us so hard, and basically you guys are using your public capacity to defame this man's character. I've never seen him try to storm any government building. He's never made any threatening comments.
So because you didn't see it doesn't mean it didn't happen. Somebody called the police and said, this man is trying to force his way into the community development building. The director of the community development department told me yesterday that they had to actually pull on the door from the inside to keep him from pulling it open from the outside. All of that's in a police call. If you would like to have it, I'll be happy to send it to you.
Yes.
But nobody asked us for that. They only come up with their own story, and his name is in the video that's already been published by whoever published it and posted all over our social media. So I don't see me naming him. I'm not the first one to name him. The person who posted the video named him. So I'm only responding to the name that's already been provided in the video.
Right. I mean,
in Florida, all of the records are public. I mean, the trespass warning with his name on it is public. The video camera, the body camera footage where he's named is public. So by me putting his name on the website, does not, I didn't send this out to the news, and you can't find this thing unless you look for it. I don't know how you found it, but it's not like, and that's what I told you at the beginning of the call. Whenever we do a news release, we actually send them to the news. This is not sent to the news. We only put this on our Facebook page as in one place, just so that our local residents who follow us all the time can see the other side of the story after this person plastered our Facebook page with this video. I'm not just going to, you expect that I'm going to let that video exist without offering some sort of a statement to explain what really happened?
Well, I mean, the public is going to demand answers automatically, and I just want to say I appreciate you talking to me and being cordial, but I mean, I really do feel in my heart like you're a liar, and I feel like you're trying to defame this man's character, but I'm going to give you...
What do you think I lied about?
I mean, this statement, Gulfport police were called to City Hall to address a complaint that he attempted to force his way. I would like you to send me any information, if you can, supporting these claims that you guys made.
I'll send you a copy of the call log.
Yes, can you do that if I provide
the
you?
name of the person who called and the notes that they gave to the call taker. So, we don't run our own dispatch. So if somebody calls
Right.
for the Gulfport police, they're actually calling the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
Right.
So we have no control over the people who work in that. So when they receive a call, that's completely outside our umbrella. So there's no way for us to manipulate the calls. There's no way for us to have any control over what's put into the call notes.
Right, and I would like to see claims, like proof and evidence that he actually made threatening comments in the past to city staff members. If you have any police reports to support that, just anything, I'll give you my email address.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready, sir.
Go ahead.
All right, it's Acura, like the car, Acura, Amanda, Amanda, Productions, with an S at the end, at gmail.com.
All right. I will send you whatever I find. Or Mr. Lee himself made that same request today, so whenever that's compiled, I'll get that and send that to you.
All right, sir. And can I give you my phone number too? I would like to follow up in a few weeks on this situation. I don't know if that's something.
Yeah, I got.
Yeah.
561.
That's my number.
Okay.
All right. Well, you have a wonderful day. I hope that we can clear this up, because I mean, it looks like damage control, in my opinion. It really does, sir. All right.
I'll send you what you asked for.
All right. Take care. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.